Saya rasa pertandingan malam ini sangat sulit ya, banyak membuat tenaga juga. Tapi dengan meraih 1 poin ini, ya saya rasa bersyukur.
Selamat malam. Tough match to us. Opponent team have 10 days to prepare the game, to rest, recovery. We play on the 3rd, we play on the 9th, we travel on the 10th. Yesterday we make official training, today we are playing. So, on the beginning of the match, the first opportunity, they will score the goal. After we have 3-4 opportunities, we not score. But after we make goal, and it's important to go half time on satu. On the second half, in my opinion, first minutes we create more chances. We give the ball to them, but we control the match. We have good offensive transitions, but near of the goal we cannot shoot, or because the pass not so good, or because the opponent team make consecutive falls. The referee allowed this. I'm not going to speak about referee. When the last moments of the match, it's normal to no focus, many mistakes in our defensive line, in our team, because we are tired. And there is the 2 big opportunities for Deo on the last minutes. But also we have offensive transition, good opportunities also. But they should go outside, or the goalkeeper keep the ball. So I think if we want to compare first half, second half, it's more or less. But I am proud of my team, of my boys, because we are not Manchester City. We don't have a charter who can fly direct. We pass many times on the airport and come to play away, and against one team that have 10 days to recover and to prepare the players and can draw. It's not negative, it's positive in my opinion. So terima kasih for the players for the fight without ball and with ball, and I hope that next match on Pare against Persicabo, our supporters can go to support us, because our players deserve it.
Saya rasa pertandingan malam ini sangat sulit ya, banyak membuat tenaga juga. Tapi dengan meraih 1 poin ini, ya saya rasa bersyukur bisa mendapat 1 poin di kandang, apalagi di luar tempat kandang. Jadi 1 poin berharga bagi kita ke depannya. Terima kasih.
We have many players injured. Sayuri brothers came from injury. Also, Zé Paulo was on the bench. He's not 100%, and we not getting to put him because it's big risk to after big injury. We have many players injured. The people don't imagine this season we don't have lucky, because I don't know, sometimes the football is like this. All the matches someone get injured. I hope that today nobody be injured, but if you want to see the last matches, always big injured. And sometimes I be furious with the Wazit because they not respect our work. They always accept consecutive foul, and they not respect. The Wazit is there to protect the players, and sometimes they not protect the players. I don't want to speak about the Wazit today, because I know that one thing is Indonesia, another thing is video. I already been here 1 season on Indonesia, I understand many things. I try to respect everybody, but please respect us also.